Hi, I'm Joan Lok. In 2023, I will start a new series of workshops on Sumi-e landscape focused on trees. This particular series, I'll have three different segments on trees. On January 12th, we'll focus on doing tree trunks and branches. In this workshop, I will teach you how to do tree trunk freehand, and we'll also do it in the freehand method and also the outline method. And I will also show you how to do different kind of tree bark, what type represent what kind of plant, and also I'll show you how to do the different kind of branches freehand. In general, we have three different kinds: the tree horn, the deer horn, the crab claw, and also the long arms. And I will show you how each would apply to what kind of plant, and also what would happen if you want to apply it to the same plant, and how to do it realistically and convincingly. On the second workshop on our tree series will be on February 2nd, and we'll focus on foliage. Our foliage one will go to the mustard seed garden and then look at different kind of dots and stroke to represent different kind of plants, both in the bonus way and also the outline way. On top of that, besides studying how all these different kind of dot apply for foliage, I will also show you how to apply colors to this foliage to represent them in color Sumi-e, but also for the different seasons. In that, I'll show you the different groupings, scattering of the colors, and also the grouping of how to place them on branches would actually alter the look for the four seasons. So for the same tree, same branch structures and same dot structures, by altering the groupings and also the differentiation, you can also depict the four seasons, be it spring, summer, autumn, and winter. In our last of our Focus on Tree series, which is on March 16, we will work on the specialty plants, and that would include the tropical one, such as the coconut tree and the palm tree, and of course, last but not least, the banana tree. Banana tree not only appear in landscape, but if you are into painting of figures in Sumi-e painting, a lot of time you will see a court lady and a beautiful maiden underneath a banana tree. So that would be something nice to work on. This is also applicable to watercolorers and also plein air painter who would like to paint freehand outdoor as well. On top of that, this particular workshop, the last of our series, would also work on how we depict different kind of plants, not only in the foreground, but also in the midground and also the background. A lot of times, beside one or two trees in the foreground, you may want to have vegetation such as, for example, a fishing village, a bamboo grove behind a studio, or a small village, a farmland, and things like that. And I will show you how to do different ones, such as plum blossom, willow, and how they would look actually from a distance in a classic Sumi-e painting. So these will be the series of 3 different Focus on Tree workshops on January 12th, February 2nd, and March 16th. I hope to see you in one or all of the workshops. Hope to see you. Thank you. Bye-bye.